Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Excel and signing in. This gives you access to templates and cloud files. Once signed in, grant OneDrive or iCloud permission so your work auto-saves and syncs. Now open a blank workbook, tap a cell, and use the on-screen or external keyboard to enter data. If you have an Apple Pencil, enable inking for quick notes. Make sure to choose a template only if it saves time, otherwise build the sheet structure now. Now you'll structure the workbook. Freeze rows or columns to lock headers so scrolling stays clear. Use touch drag to select ranges, then tap the home ribbon for number formats and alignment. This makes data readable. Enter formulas with equals and autocomplete, and add conditional formatting to highlight key values. Once done, insert a table for sorting and create a chart from selected data. Use pinch to zoom and switch between edit and view to check layout. Finish by reviewing formulas and testing important calculations, then save to OneDrive and export as XLSX or PDF for distribution. Share the file and set collaborator permissions so others can edit or view, co-authoring updates in real time. If something goes wrong, first close other apps and reconnect to Wi-Fi, then check for volatile formulas or large ranges that slow the iPad. Make sure Excel is updated. If errors persist, reopen the file from OneDrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.